I'm gonna tell you something real today. Not theory, not guru talk, not fake success stories. Real life, real scars, real lessons. I got monetized on YouTube fast, and I mean fast. I came in this game with almost nothing. Cheap laptop, government phone, no money, no fancy setup, no rich friends, no handouts, just hunger, just work ethic, just belief. And I figured some things out. Titles, thumbnails, consistency, showing up, learning on the fly. Then one day, monetization hit. Now if you've never been monetized before, you may not understand that feeling. It ain't even about the money first, it's proof. Proof that your work matters, proof that your time meant something, proof that maybe you can really change your life. And I felt that. I remember seeing those first dollars come in. It wasn't millions, wasn't crazy, but it was real, and real changes everything. Then, right when momentum started building, boom, demonetized, just like that. Money stopped, momentum slowed, confidence got hit. And I ain't gonna lie to you, that kind of stuff messes with your head. You start asking questions. Was I wasting my time? Was I fooling myself? Did all that grind mean nothing? Did I build something real or something rented? That's where a lot of people quit. That's where channels go silent. That's where dreams get buried. That's where people blame YouTube, blame the algorithm, blame everybody and disappear. But me? I got smarter. I sat in that pain long enough to learn from it, and I realized something powerful. If one company can shut off all your income, then you never had a business, you had a dependency. That hit me hard, because I was thinking like a creator. Upload, get views, wait for AdSense, repeat, that's creator thinking. I had to evolve, I had to think like an owner. Owners build assets, owners build systems, owners build multiple roads to money. Owners don't panic when one stream dries up. So while I was demonetized, I built skills, I built discipline, I built patience, I built products, I built a website, I built books, I built more channels, I built knowledge, I built toughness, and most importantly, I built myself. That 18 months looked like punishment, but really, it was training. You didn't know. Now, if you're a beginner listening right now, hear me clear. Do not sit around waiting for monetization like it's the lottery. That mindset keeps people weak. Build while nobody is watching. Build when views are low. Build when subscribers are slow. Build when nobody claps. Build searchable videos. Build evergreen videos. Build videos people need next year. Build videos people need 5 years from now. Build trust. Build authority. Build your name. Build something they can't take with one click. Because views come and go. Algorithms change. Rules change. Platforms change. But skills stay. Your voice stays. Your discipline stays. The knowledge stays. Assets stay. A website stays. Products stay. Books stay. Your content library stays. That's why I teach the slow game. Because the slow game compounds. Most people chase speed. They chase virality. They chase tricks. They chase shortcuts. Then they burn out. But the patient creator, the one stacking bricks quietly, that person becomes dangerous later. That person wakes up with assets. That person gets paid from old work. That person has leverage. Today I'm monetized again. But I'm not the same man. Stronger now, wiser now, calmer now, smarter now, more dangerous now. Because now I know the truth. AdSense is nice. Ownership is better. Views are nice. Trust is better. Attention is nice. Assets are better. So if you're starting from zero right now, good. Zero is honest. Zero means room to grow. Zero means your story starts now. Stay consistent. Stay learning. Stay building. Stop chasing fast money. Build something real. Build something useful. Build something that compounds. Build something future you will thank you for. I'm living proof. You didn't know.